Wood Buffalo National Park. The other animals in the forest gave Nitotem his name, and Nitotem means my friend in Cree. So welcome, friends, and welcome to the closing ceremonies. With that, we would like to welcome our participants, our coaches, and our officials to the stadium. Let's give them a round of applause as they enter. I want you guys to be a little louder than that. Let's give them a round of applause. Woo!
Here they come.
Our flag bearers that brought in the flags, we'll be listing them here. And our first flag bearer is Arctic Winter Games alumni and Olympian Brooke Voigt. She's carrying the Arctic Winter Games International Committee flag. Voigt was born and raised in Wood Buffalo region, and she is a former Team Alberta North participant and more recently an Olympian, with her debut at Pyeongchang Olympics in 2018. Carrying the Canadian flag is member of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. Team Alaska flag bearer Jessica Leclerc from the wrestling team. Alaska will be hosting the games in 2024. From Team Yukon, the flag is carrying from Arctic Sports athlete Amelia Gilbo. The Northwest Territory flag is being carried by Sage Acorn from the speed skating team. And the flag bearer for Team Nunavut is David E. Ku-Dilirac with the badminton team.
Next, yeah, love the enthusiasm. Next is Greenland with flag bearer Dina Marie Josephson from the volleyball team. From Team Nunavut, Quebec, carrying the flag is Alyssa P. Adams from the snowshoe team. And the Sapmi flag is being carried by futsal player Ida Oyen. And carrying the flag for your host team is an alpine skier from Grand Prairie, Carly Larson from Team Alberta.
Let's give our flag bearers a round of applause as our participants enter the arena.
Didn't we all have a great time watching all of our participants this week? It was so amazing in so many different sports, right, Miranda?
So many different sports. Well, a few of the sports highlighted this week for the Arctic Winter Games. Can I see all of our alpine skiing participants? Raise your hand. Where are you? Let's give our alpine skiers a round of applause.
Archery. Where are you guys? Where's archery?
Where's our archery team? Put your hands up if you're here on the archery team. Let's give them a round of applause.
Badminton. Where's our badminton? Over there, I see.
Yes, badminton. Amazing job, everybody. Where are our basketball players? Woo!
Biathlon ski, where are you?
I know you guys braved the cold this week, especially our biathlon snowshoe team. Where's our biathlon snowshoe team? Good job, you guys.
Cross country ski. Oh!
Woo! Curling participants, where are you? Put your hands up. Curling.
Figure skating. Where's our figure skaters?
Futsal players. I know you guys just came off the field. Good job, you guys. You played hard. Futsal.
Gymnastics. Where are you? Oh, yeah.
hockey players.
Oh. Snowboarders, where are you guys?
Snowshoeing. Snowshoeing participants, put your hands up. Yes, woo!
Speed skating.
Speed skaters. Records were broken at speed skating. Let's give speed skaters a round of applause. Woo!
And we were the host for the speed skating
Yes.
in Fort McKay, so you guys saw our community.
Our community of Fort McKay hosted all week long speed skating, which was amazing for our community to enjoy.
Table tennis, where are you?
Right there, we got table
Oh,
tennis.
that table tennis person's excited.
I think he's been jumping to every sport, so I'm not sure which sport you're with. Are you tricking us?
He's
Guy,
tricking
I don't
us.
know. I'm gonna send you totem out there. Volleyball.
Woo!
Woo.
And last but not least, wrestling.
Not last but not least.
In addition to the participants in those sports, we are so fortunate to have Arctic Sports and Dene Games. I loved that, right? The different
Amazing.
sports.
The energy that the Dene Games, the Arctic Sports brought to our McDonald Island League was amazing. The beat of the drum, the energy. Thank you, Masi Cho from our heart, because that was beautiful energy all week for us as any participants or anybody in the McDonald Island got to enjoy.
We had 1 foot high kick. Where are you guys? That was amazing.
2 foot high kick.
An Alaskan high kick.
Kneel jump. Hey, these guys. Sledge jump. Triple jump. Arm pull.
He wants to do an arm pull with you.
Oh, you want to do arm pull? Okay. Right.
Airplane. One hand reach.
Head pull. Oh. Put our heads like this. Yeah.
And knuckle hop. I think it's too hard for you. You're too big.
Yeah. But you got the fluffy knuckles, so I think you could do it. Yeah. Yeah.
And the Dene Games. I love the Dene Games as well.
Finger pull.
Okay, wait, we're gonna do
Wait,
this.
okay, we're gonna do a demonstration for you guys. Finger pull.
I think you won.
I think it was a tie.
Your
No,
furry
it was a
hands.
tie. Snake. Sorry, snow snake. Yes.
Stick pull.
Hand games. Pull push.
We loved all that. But Miranda, I saw you doing a sport. You know
Yes,
what it
you
was?
did. We actually have an unofficial sport that we didn't announce yet. It's not on here. It is the game of pin trading.
Who is pin trading?
Where's our pin traders at?
Where's
Everybody! Yes!
Where's the pinheads?
Pin trading brings so much connection and community and exchange between the participants and our community and everybody. And every Arctic Winter Games, you build your collection, and it was so amazing to see this active community through the trading of pins. So I hope everyone's going home with an amazing collection. So fun.
We have really enjoyed watching you. We're so proud of you. And And we're so proud of you, and we would just love to say thank you so much for all your hard work. And there's a pole out there with a mitten, waving a big hello.
Oh, yeah. Hello. Just a few more pictures.
What a great sight. Can we have one more round of applause for all our participants?
And our officials who have traveled here to spend the week with us in Wood Buffalo.
I am so blessed to be a filmmaker, and the Arctic Winter Games came to me and they said, would you do a land acknowledgement video? And we love that. We love to share ancestral land where we travel, because we know that all of what we now call Canada is traditional territory. So where we live, work, and play is ancestral land. So we have had such a great time to welcome you into our traditional territory, and we want to acknowledge it. I just want to give a big shout out to Elder Alice Martin and Allison Flatt for making this video happen. So we hope you enjoy.
Tansei, Eglanete. Welcome. The Arctic Winter Games Host Society acknowledges Treaty 8 territory, ancestral and traditional land of the Cree, Dene, and Métis people. We are thankful for these borrowed lands, along with the traditional teachings and lessons of resilience they offer us, in the spirit of maintaining good relations with others for future generations. As long as the sun shines,
Des Helihu of
the river flows, and the grass grows.
und other diri ni body hunt e.
We will honor these lands.
Thank you for coming to our traditional territory.
I would now like to welcome Elder Alice Martin from the Mikisew Cree First Nation to provide a blessing over today's closing ceremony.
Hello, everybody. It's good to see such a big crowd of young people. But I'm honored to say the closing prayer. My name is Alice Martin. I'm from Mikshu Cree First Nation. And as an elder, I want to share with you that this is very important when we do go and visit any territory, or when we do go and perform or play games. It's always good for the elders to send, if you go and visit anybody, it's always good for us to send you home in a good way. It's very, very important. It's a sacred thing for us to do that so that we're all happy and we feel good about all our accomplishments and all the skills that you've shared here as young athletes. And we want to thank the elders as well for their contribution and showing us their culture as well, and all the support that has come with them. So if you want to join me, I'm going to say the prayer in Cree. I thank you. I'll say it in English first. I thank you, Creator, for this beautiful day, for this time to share the closing ceremony with the young people that have come to visit our traditional home, with the elders that have come with them, and the support as well. We thank you for the organizers who have done such an awesome job in doing this. As the athletes, the elders, and the support go home from our territory, take care of them, Creator. Keep them safe till they get home, and to always be proud of themselves, and to share their skills that they have, and always feel good about all of these gifts that you have given them. We thank you again, Creator, for this time to stand here together, and to thank you for everything that has went well in all this week that we have come together. Hi. Hey, no tawinan. Kananaskum din humanutski sagao. Mina piago tagapi. Ni pauyak. Hey, mi masaka hewe. Uta hispeu. Hey, no tawi. No apahtinan, ko apahtinan. Umatan sigispeik. Umakispen mamo wi huyahe. Piawanti. Umaka hewe gamiupeik. Uskaya ko tagapi mitawito. Kinawimek wiguawe skataksihuawa. Minaksayak utagapi wichi wiahuawa. Wistawao kinawimek. Angig minaga hiogapi sitoskawata uskaya. Witinan wichihik sa wimek kinawimek sko kiwito. Hey no tawe kinanaskumten. No humak musumak. Niwaya ko tapig man tuwa suskiaganak. Kinanaskum na o tigo tapig tigig. Umota kapiwichi yah. Koyaska hewe to miupe. Utaga nawe miach. Utaga wichi yah. Skoyatsko kinanaskum na. Mina piago kinanaskum no tawe. Hi. I want to thank all the athletes again one more time. It's so good to see you all, and I hope nothing but the best in your future. Hi.
Thank you for the prayer, Elder Martin. Welcome the contingents, dignitaries, First Nation and Métis leaders. It is an honor to have you all here with us again. We'd like to acknowledge our dignitaries that have joined us here today. Over on the left on a dignitary stage, we have Athabasca Chippewa First Nation Chief and Athabasca Tribal Council President, Chief Alan Adam.
Fort McKay Métis President Ron Quintel.
Government of Canada Minister for Northern Affairs, the Honourable Dan Vandal.
The Deputy Mayor of Wood Buffalo, Stu Wiggle.
Provincial Member of the Legislature, Tani Yao.
Deputy Manager of Matsu Borough, George Hayes.
Member of Parliament, Layla Goodridge. Councillor Ken Ball.
Minister Jonasi from Nunavut.
President, International Committee, John Rhoda.
And Commissioner of Yukon, Angelique Bernard.
Now, we have a performance for you guys. Let's welcome to the field Fort McMurray's newest dance studio, here to celebrate sports and the creators of the ultimate sports anthems that have filled arenas and stadiums from 1970 until today. Dancing to the legendary Freddie Mercury and Queen. Please welcome MKD The Space.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy, 'cause I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Any way the wind blows doesn't really matter to me. Let's go! Bucks further down the street with the brim pulled way down low. Ain't no sound but the sound of speed. Machine guns ready to go. Are you ready? Hey, are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of your seat? Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, hey, gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Tonight, I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive. And the world, I'm turning inside out. Yeah. I'm floating around in ecstasy. So don't stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. A shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm racing Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo, Galileo Figaro. Magnifico! I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity. Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Let him go! Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let him go! Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go! We'll not let you go. Let me go! Never let you go. Never let me go. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me. For me. For me. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. I've paid my dues, time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my share of sand kicked in my face, but I've come through. I need to go on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
Amazing job, MKD, the space. Let's give them another round of applause. Woo! That was amazing.
We will now welcome to the stage the Government of Canada Minister of Northern Affairs, the Honorable Dan Vandal.
Hello.
I don't know if it's working.
Hello, everybody. Can you hear me?
No, you gotta hold this.
Okay.
I can hold it for you.
Can you hold it? Good afternoon, everybody. Oudlekut, Tansi, bonjour, chers amis, and good afternoon. I want to begin by acknowledging Treaty 8 territory, the ancestral and traditional lands of the Cree, the Dene, and the Métis Nation. It is such a pleasure to be here in Legacy Dodge Field to help close out these enormously successful 2023 Arctic Winter Games on behalf of the Government of Canada and my colleague Pascal Saint-Onge, Minister of Sport. C'est tellement un plaisir d'être ici, présent cet après-midi, pour les cérémonies de clôture, pour ces Jeux, Jeux d'Arctique, Jeux d'hiver d'Arctique qui sont tellement importants pour notre pays et pour le monde. And what games they have been. They have been a long time in the making because of the pandemic. But I think we can all agree that they were well worth the wait. I was so disappointed, as I imagine many of you were, when the 2020 games in Whitehorse were canceled. But this year, there were 2,100 participants from 8 delegations from Yukon, Northwest Territories, Nunavut, Nunavik, and Northern Alberta, as Canada, as well as Alaska, Greenland, and the Sami region of Finland, Sweden, and Norway. Let's hear it. You have all done a tremendous job, and you should all be so very proud. Give yourself an applause. We saw so many amazing athletes from so many different sports. Alpine skiing, hockey, to traditional sports of athletic strength and endurance, like sledge jump and Alaskan high kick. We saw so many wonderful performers sharing their unique music, their unique dances with other cultural contingents from all across the Arctic region. I had a great fortune to watch some of the competitors recently and performances last night to experience the sports, the games, and the culture of Northern and Arctic communities. You should all be so proud of yourself. C'est tellement un honneur de voir les artistes, les athlètes qui ont fait un job exceptionnel dans ces Jeux. Congratulate yourselves. I want to thank the Wood Buffalo region for hosting these very successful games. The Government of Canada is extremely proud to support the Arctic Winter Games. They are so important, and they beautifully highlight many of the rich traditions and the cultures of the North and of the Arctic. It is such a pleasure for me to be here today. I wish everyone the best in the future, and I look forward to seeing you at the next Arctic Winter Games in Alaska. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Minister. Our next act is a trio of performers from Fort McKay First Nation, brought together by their love of hip-hop music. Who likes hip-hop? Made up of Busy, Philo Barney Gumbo, Bip Bubbins, Baby, and they're releasing their debut album, ABO, Volume 1, on March 10th. You can pre-save it now on Apple Music or Spotify, or hear select tracks on our Fort McKay First Nation radio station, Fort McKay FM 106.3. Please welcome to the stage AB Originals.
I know you can do better than that. Make some noise!
Yeah.
All right,
Before we start the show, I just want to say I'm proud of all you guys.
Very proud.
Let's go. Let's make it last forever.
Let's go.
Ain't that right?
This is off our new album, ABO Volume 1. It's dropping March 10th.
On Spotify, Apple Music, all streaming platforms.
Let's go.
Hey, yo, I want y'all to put your hands up right now.
Put your hands up like this. Saturday night around the campfire. Stay up all night just like a vampire. Just me and my friends, yeah, we chase everything. Oh, whoa. Can't crack it up here, so no, we can't drive. Keep buzzing around just like a sandfly. But when it finally ends, we never ruining anything. Oh, whoa. I just wanna relax and laugh a little. Blast it through the middle with cash and throw it on at the gas, and that's the rizzle, baby. So tell me what you wanna do, honey. She said, you know I'm coming on with you, honey. So I took her for a drive and maybe your truck. Guess best dogs ain't the only ones getting stuck. I wanna end the winter with you, baby. All been all the women is a let's make this night last forever. Put 'em up. Let's make this night Let's make some noise! Let's go, Fort McMurray, make some noise!
Yo, all these bandanas gonna be right here though for you. It's gonna go out to the crowd. This is for you. Thank you so much, Fort McMurray. Remember, ABO Volume 1, March 10th. Get on Spotify, Apple Music, all your listening platforms. Let's go.
Let's go.
Give it up one more time for ABO, ladies and gentlemen. We got Stephanie coming up in a couple minutes, so hang around. I'm gonna play some music for you guys. How you guys doing out there? Staying warm? If you see the back of that tail, get on the back of that tail. I want to see if you guys are out there. Alberta Games, make some noise for me. Come on.
Let's keep this energy going as we have a bit more time to shine. Our final performer, Stephanie Harp from the Fort McKay First Nation with the Stephanie Harp Experience. They're an award-nominated Indigenous tribal rock band with a message everyone needs to hear. Joining her today is a unique performance Juno Award-nominated Maria Dunn, an incredible ally and staple in the international folk scene, and the Northern Wolf drummers, Ryan Granjam and Randy Martin. They will be performing the Warriors Call. Let me introduce the Stephanie Harp Experience.
Atlantic Tanse, everybody. We're honored to be with you here today. This song was written for the World Indigenous Games called A Warrior's Call. The sacred fire's been ignited. It burns within us all. Many traveled from distant lands to hear the warrior's call. To hear a warrior's call. Turtle, stand with the courage of a bear. We will run as a wolf, soar like the eagle through the air. And we want truth and peace, so our hearts are free. We are family. Royce Rack, everybody. Steve Farrell on the bass. Andrew Jan on guitar. Daniel St. Pierre on percussion. Other and for all our nation's dreams in harmony with spirits free. Oh, we are family.
Merci trop. Thank you. Hi, hi.
Did you guys enjoy that? Wow, thanks to Stephanie Hart for that powerful performance. Now, here come our local RCMP in their red serge, bringing the Hodgson Trophy to the stage. We would like to welcome to the stage the president of the Arctic Winter Games International Committee, John Rhoda.
The Arctic Winter Games International Committee acknowledges Treaty 8 territory, ancestral and traditional land of the Cree, Dene, and Métis people. We are thankful for these borrowed lands, along with the traditional teachings and lessons of resilience they offer us in the spirit of maintaining good relations with others and for future generations. As long as the sun shines, the river flows, and the grass grows, we will honor these lands. First, thank you, Alberta, the regional municipality of Wood Buffalo, Fort McMurray, Fort McKay, the host society, all the volunteers, and thank you for all the teams, chefs, mission staff, coaches, officials, chaperones. It's been an amazing week. At each Arctic Winter Games, there is one award that is presented by the Arctic Winter Games International Committee. It's the Hodgson Trophy. It is voted on by coaches, officials, mission staff, international committee members, senior mission staff from the host society. It exemplifies the traditions and the spirit of fair play, competition, cultural exchange, on behalf of the Games. It identifies the respect that people have for each other, their opponents, the community, the Games themselves, and what it means to be an Arctic Winter Games member. It's my honor to present the Hodgson Trophy to Team Greenland.
The Arctic Winter Games International Committee, President John Rhoda will now present the Arctic Winter Games flag to George Hayes, Deputy Manager of the Mat-Su Borough, Alaska, who is the next host of the Games in 2024.
Congratulations, Greenland. A round of applause for Greenland. Congratulations. until the next games in March of 2024 in Alaska.
As a reminder to the audience, you can watch the fireworks show for the community at 6 p.m.
You can watch anywhere downtown, McDonald Island Park or Sny Point Park. We'll have a fireworks show for the community at 6 o'clock.
So to close out the games, we would now like to welcome Randy Martin from Mikisew Cree First Nation and Ryan Granjam from Fort McKay First Nation to the stage to offer you an honor song to bless you on your journeys home. That was amazing. Thank you so much. Hi to Randy Martin and Ryan Granjap for that honor song to bless us on our way out. And for your journey home, be so proud of yourself.
Thank you everyone who joined us today for the closing ceremony presented by Finning. It has been our pleasure to be your MCs for opening and closing ceremonies, and we thank everyone for being a part of the games. It truly was a beautiful week and everyone's time to shine. We hope you made friendships that'll last a lifetime, and we can't wait to see you next time. Your time to shine. Woo! Round of applause.
Thank you all for coming here this week and tonight. Participants, please listen for your respected groups' names. You're on your way out. So we want to say thank you to the Northwest Territories. Thank you to the Yukon for coming. Thank you for Alaska. Thank you to the Northwest Territories again. Thank you to Yukon. Thank you to Team Nunavik, as well as Team Nunavut. We want to thank Sapni, as well as Greenland. Thank you, Greenland. And last but not least, we want to thank Team Alberta North. Thank you so much, you guys. Congratulations to all the participants. Remember, we have that fireworks display at 6 p.m., so you don't want to miss that. And the display closes out the Arctic Winter Games, 2023 Arctic Winter Games. We'll see you at 6 o'clock. Don't miss the fireworks. Remember, you can watch these fireworks from anywhere on the island or on the Sny.